Greetings, traders out there in Traderland. My name's Dez. It's Tuesday, March 8th, 2011. Markets up impressively. Check this out. Dow up over 1%. At one point, we were over 150 points in the high session today. The S&P up 0.9%, Nasdaq up 0.7%. So the Nasdaq lagging the S&P and Dow, but you have Russell small caps doing exceptionally well, up 1.5%. Banks up over 2%, giving credence, giving support, putting some wind under the wings of the markets. That helped out nice. VIX selling off by 4%, gold dropping ever so slightly, and you have the US dollar up quite a bit. So it's interesting to see the dollar up 0.45%, but the market's also up in spite of that. You have crude oil down. We're above 104, 105 area right now on crude. And transportation did exceptionally well here, giving a lot of support to what the bullish activity we saw there in the Dow. Let's look at the S&P daily, through the eyes of a technician here. Technicals are very powerful. What you want to do is start macro. Get the big picture. So you bring in a lot of data here, right? So I'm using e-signal, by the way. And if anybody would like to use e-signal, like to try it out, contact me. Just mentor@groktrade.com. And I'll let you know who my rep is, and you can talk with them. I'll give you a free month. But anyway, be quite frank, I don't care if you use e-signal or not. Use whatever you want to. But here we have this nice run up. We pull back a little bit. And we had this extended run to the upside. This extended run is what, that has my attention right now. You see how we're going up here, but we have this bearish divergence. And then we start getting choppy here. Now we're sub-zero on the MACD. So if we blow this up, I have a couple purple lines that I really thickened up here because I want you to see that we have a bullish pennant starting. This bullish pennant, as long as we can stay up above these areas right here, if we can stay above this 1300 range, we are building what's called a bullish pennant. That's where you got a lower swing high, but you start to get in these higher swing lows, and you get this miniature symmetrical triangle formation at the high of a leg. Now, these are more bullish than they are bearish. However, they can break either direction. Here's the thing you need to know in trading. Stocks hate to be pinched. You can see how we're coiling here. You got a bigger swing here. Big swing, smaller swing, coiling. See the coiling? And it happens within the apex of a triangle. If they're small and they develop at the top of a leg or bottom of a leg, they're called pennants, like a bull or a baseball pennant, like a flag pennant. And once they coil, they'll break out or down. So you want to be very careful that you're not buying a pennant or buying consolidation. You want to buy a breakout or sell short a breakdown. So that's what we want to do here. So if you'd be so kind, give me a thumbs up down there at the bottom and pass this on to a friend. Let your other trading colleagues know about us. Take care. Very safe trading to each and every one of you. Remember that capital preservation comes before making a profit.